Alright, quick tutorial, very quickly. So, had my gun on for about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's turned all the way up. So basically what you want to do, pull your gun out, melt a little bit on there, wipe it, both sides, all the sides on the wet towel, the sponge that comes with it. So now it's all clean. So let's turn this around and get over to, hopefully you can see that. I can't see it very well, so looks like it's there. So this is my XT60. So basically what you want to do, put your gun there, take some solder, let it melt, get some solder down in there, and bam, there's your solder. It's on the bottom. So now what you want to do, take that out, take your wire, which yours is already good, but I'm going to do it for this sake. Tin it up, touch the wire, take the solder, let it melt, get both sides really good, so it's all tinned. That's called the tinning. So then the solder, make sure you wipe it off on all the solder off on your sponge again. Take that out, put this back in with your solder. Hopefully you can see this. So basically touch that on there, touch it on the side. That stupid thing's moving. So basically what you do, touch it on the solder, you'll see how it's melting. Take your wire, basically stick it on in there, and bam, there you go. Look. And then if you want to clean it up a little bit, all you gotta do, take a little solder on the top, melts it right on. There you go. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Just gotta be quick. See? Boom. Soldered. Done. Can't pull it off and pulling off all the way. So there's soldering 101.